First, you start by logging in or signing up. Enter your email and password and click Done. Here we have our feed that shows items for sale, most recent ones at the top. To get more details on an item, you can click on it and see the quantity, price description, seller's email for contact purposes. The user can also turn this item into a QR code or an ID code that they can use to share a search for the indicated product by clicking the Generate button. The item QR code can be scanned using the Item Code Scanner button on the scan screen, and the seller can also add a link to their website to their item details if they have other products for sale. This link can be viewed on the scan screen and then turned into a QR code by clicking the Generate button. The scan screen can also scan linked QR codes, which opens the websites in the in-app browser. Our app also has built-in navigation, courtesy of Google Maps. Just click this Maps button on any of the screens, also that sellers can set up, pick up, and so that the buyer has less complications getting to the location. When it comes to code, the most important features are probably the new screen and the QR code generator. With the new screen, we have an API key for Airtable, which compiles the data from the inputs and makes it available on the feed screen. We also have this size selector that changes color and the variable that is saved as the size option when you go to view an item. It saves the current date too, as a way to sort the product among others, and another API key used was Cloudinary, which transforms uploaded image files into links, which are then stored in the Airtable and converted back into pictures in the list viewer. For the QR code generator, it basically uses the item code variable or the seller website variable as a part of the link that generates the codes, and a browser that shows this link to generate a QR code that fits the browser.
When it comes to user feedback, we did have a few changes to make. For example, Tester 1 suggested that our app was a bit hard to navigate, so we adopted the navigation bar across all of our screens. Tester 2 suggested that apart from taking and uploading photos, which have an option where the user can take photos to streamline our user experience, Tester 3 suggested that our graphics are a bit too simple and boring, so we adopted colorful and more engaging graphics wherever it was possible, such as in our QR code scanner screen. And user 4 commented on the fact that we should encourage buyers to come back. So after a buyer buys an item, we leave them a thank you message saying that they have contributed to sustainability and they should come back and shop with us.
Our app is currently fully functional, but we aim to improve the consumer experience in the future by adding a cart and a payment system, as well as enhancing search and filtering options, as well as enabling worldwide shipping. Additionally, we'll add some personal profiles and a waste reduction tracker for users, along with a business analytics dashboard. Personal profiles hope to empower users and manage their personal information while tracking their environmental impact. They can see and share waste reduction progress within their cart, fostering transparency and community engagement on our platform. The business analytics dashboards, inspired by our survey of medium-sized businesses, will help partners monitor sales, trends, and customer engagement to make informed decisions and optimize their presence on REWARE, promoting mindful and local shopping.